Let's go over working with files. To start working with files, you need to click on Data and then Files. Here, there are several actions available, such as writing text, retrieving text, copying, moving, deleting, and checking for existence. Here the actions are pretty self-explanatory. Let's show a few examples of how to use them. For example, write. You specify the file path, and remember, always include the file name and its extension. That way, we won't encounter any errors. You can write text of any length, absolutely any. Let's enter a name here. And here there are a few checkboxes, for example, to append to the file. If we check this box, then when the action runs a second time and new data is added, the old data will be preserved. If the box is not checked, the old data will be permanently deleted. And adding a line break at the end means that new data will always be written on a new line. Let's perform this action. We see the cache present in the directory, so we have a file saved here with the name Monica. Now, let's go over the getText action together. In the same way as before, we specifically specify the file, txt, and assign it to a variable. We will create a new one. Now we have a variable, and the value Monica has been saved here. But don't worry. Let's go over check existence here. It's all very simple here. You specify the path to your file, and if it exists, the action will follow the green ribbon. If the file doesn't exist, it will follow the red ribbon. Moving files is also simple. You specify the old file path that needs to be moved, and then specify the path where it should be moved. It's exactly the same, but pay attention to the name. A new name will be added, and the file will be renamed in the same way. Deleting is also simple. You specify the file that needs to be deleted. To create a copy here, when you copy, something is added to the name of the copy. And we can see that two identical files have been created in our project directory. And finally, deletion as well. We specify the path to it, and the original file will be deleted, leaving only its copy. That's all.